We're trading the S&P 500 E-mini today. We're getting all set up here. Start the session, we're going to give out levels. These are the areas of interest for today's trade. It's a real opportunity to focus and be disciplined in and around key levels in the S&P 500 E-mini. If you need charts, let us know. If you are looking for an opportunity to be part of our service, join us in Zoom. E-mini, tradealong.com, E-mini, tradealong.com. Everything we do here is for educational purposes only, nothing taken as direct trading or investment advice. We're here trading days at the link E-mini Trade Along. It's a direct drop into Zoom. We do our business in Zoom. We do our activity in Zoom. Everything we do here is on a personalized level. New traders, welcome. Experienced traders, welcome. We're looking to have a good day trading today. We're looking for a minimum trading profit on each trade of 2 points plus. We defend generally at 2 points, but it can expand based on market action and volatility, momentum, and follow through. If you haven't traded before, we can get you set up with a trading platform that you can practice trade on until your fingers bleed and look to develop a consistently profitable trading technique. In this case, it's price action trading. Price action trading has been, part of trading since it started, in my opinion anyway. It's the action of trading around, in this case, trading around key levels and zones, the actively managing those levels during the trading morning can be adjusted, tweaked based on the action of price, all leading to the concept of how do I enter a trade, where do I enter a trade, why do I enter a trade, and how do I make money on a trade, and how do I limit my risk based on those trades. So that's what we do every day. The levels here are different. I know that's a little confusing sometimes. You know, trading software has formulas and all sorts of things in it that give us information. Part of that information stream is levels, time frames, crosses. What we have found over time is that those standardized software practices, which is having a trading platform and sort of being shown the way, if you get or have multiple, and I'm guessing, let's just keep it at a minimum, thousands of people that are coming into the market this morning waiting for the cash open at 9:30 Eastern time. They're going to be set up with their software. They're going to go into these trades in and around what their software is telling them. And they're all going to be bumping heads, in my opinion. And they're going to get shaken out of trades, which means they're going to take trading losses. What's different here is that the levels that are produced and given out are levels that are done by an experienced individual. In this case, is going to be Don today. Saul taught Don how to set these levels. Saul's a 25-year veteran of the trading pits. Don is a student or an aficionado of Saul's method and has added his own thoughts to that method. So he is a accomplished trader that has quite a good skill set. And he is going to lead us today based on this opportunity to trade along and look to pull money out of the market today, all from an educational point of view only. So we appreciate you being here. If you haven't signed up for this service, the service is normally $400 a month. We have on special based on some of our connections out there and partners. We have it on for $150. So it's like getting trading coaching every day for $150 a month. Trade along environment. If you are interested in, and what I'll do is I'll post the, I call it the Wheel of Opportunity. I'll post the Wheel of Opportunity. I'm going to post it in chat in Zoom. If you're not in Zoom, pop in, eminitradealong.com. And now I'm going to post the Wheel of Opportunity in Zoom. You can see it elsewhere, but everything is done live in Zoom. It has the trader coaching part. It has the trader account funding part via TopStep, which are an affiliate, so go through our link. Trade Navigator is an opportunity because you can have the same charts set up that we have showcasing generally on a daily basis. And you have the opportunity to sign up for this service at a significant discount, both quarterly and monthly. It rolls over at the discounted price, so what you get is what you get, and that's a great thing. So anyway, so I'm going to turn this over to Don, and he'll take you through the morning session. I'll be in the background. Don't hesitate to sign up and make sure that you're accounted for. It's nominal, so don't embarrass us by not signing up. Thank you. Don, you got the ball?
All right, appreciate it. Good morning, all. Let me see what we've got going here this morning.
Hey, David C., I think it's your turn to sign up today. Or I think you might have signed up yesterday. Just let me know. Thanks.
Good morning. I guess everybody can hear me. If you type a Y or something into the deal, let everybody know that I can be heard. Thank you. Appreciate it, Philip. Okay, let me give you some numbers here this morning. We're going to start out with our pivot this morning is going to be 15. We've got resistance up here at 23, 30, 37, 43, and 50. We got support down here at 09, 03, 96, 83, and 76. And I'll get these into the deal momentarily. Let's see. We are opening up. Our pivot's going to be 15 this morning. Okay. I like that 09 spot. Let's see if I can get these things typed in real quick. Bear with me a minute. Let me get caught up on all this little bookkeeping drama I've got going on here. All right. For those that came in late, if you look in the chat, we have our numbers posted that we're using today. We're coming down to this 9 area. Well, if you're scaled into the 9, you're getting paid off. I had my order sitting at 950. I hate that, but it is what it is. I really wanted it at 9 to come all the way back up into this 27 area.
Hey, quick shout out. Welcome to AMW. AMW, give us a quick sound check. Use the chat feature to respond. If you want to join us directly in Zoom, I'll post. Actually, let me know if you see the posting in the chat.
Actually, I actually had. Normally, we would scale in, depending on your risk tolerance, somewhere about anywhere from a half to 3/4 of a point into this trade. We're coming up into this. Hold on a second. This 16 area, or 18 area. So you may want to take a few profits here, because we're probably going to back down to the 15. I had actually 9. I figured we'd come down to about 9.25, somewhere in there. And so I said, oh, well, I'll set it, one tick above that. Well, one tick, it quit a tick above me. So that's okay. I also bought the 12s. And so, and I'm covering here at the 18s, because I figured we're going to get a rotation back into this 15 area, 1550, about right in there. And I don't know if that's going to stop it, or we're going to go back down and actually test that 9.25 again. Why did I buy the 12s? I'm trying to give you the legitimate reason why I bought the 12s. Let me pull up something here. I don't even know where we even opened up. We opened up at what, 22.25. Well, the reason I bought the 12s was I missed the 9s coming down. So I stuck an order in at 12. Says if it comes up at 12, I'm going to be long, because I wanted to be long out of the gate. Well, out of the gate was at 14 and it went down. So I was able to get in down here, and I covered up here. Where do I think it's going? We should go back to the blue band. We should go all the way back up here to this 27 area. And first of all, this is what I'm seeing. Is it 100% sure? No, nothing in trading is. It's just it's an analysis. It's a prognosis. I had a place to get in. And I had a reason to get out. And we did bounce down. We only got down to what, 1575? Yeah, 1575. So we should have went all the way to 1550. But shoulda, coulda, but and didn't. So at 9.25, we missed it a little bit. That 9.25 came from yesterday's a trade yesterday that it should have completed, and it didn't. And I'm not sure that this thing is complete yet. I'm not sure if we'll run back up to this 27 area. Let's see. I gotta write my numbers down. I usually keep them on a piece of paper in front of me. We're coming up to this 23 area. 23, we got a green band sitting there at 24. And we got a blue band up here at 24.25. So we ought to be able to get something out of this 23. It's still working that 23 area. And I have to make up your mind what you want to do with it. I made an error in the numbers. I've got 09 twice in there. It's 09 and 03. I'll change that. Let's see. It's not giving me what I want out of this trade. It should. Got down to 21. I just didn't get a fill. That's true. Control V. There we go. That's corrected levels there. Sorry about that. Well, we got your 2 points out of the trade from the 23, so the 23 worked. Where am I expecting it to go? I'm caught between 27 and 9. And I don't know which one it's going to first. Well, if you're still holding on some of the 23, you're doing well. You have to watch that 16, 17 area. There is a little support right here at 16. We're coming back to our pivot. Got down to 16 and a quarter, bounced a little bit. Let's see. There we go. About the support at the 16. I bailed it out at 20. It's been a good morning already. Let's see. Gonna have to get up above that blue band to see our 27. We do have some news coming out here at 9. Let's see what it is. Pending home sales. This all came out at 7:30, so this is Eastern times. All right. We're just sitting back waiting. Went up to our 23. We bounced off of it. Next level up above that is going to be 30. I had 29, 30 area, so I gave you the 30. So if you get up in 29, 29.50 or something like that, I'm going to probably be short one. But the high of yesterday was sitting there at 30.25. So depending on how much juice they have when they go through this thing, we could see it run all the way up to 33, 34. All right, let's see what we've got here. Yeah, we're coming back up to our 23. Since we've been there once, you can take it again, but the odds are the probabilities go down after you've been to it once, and the risk goes up. So, I mean, if you took it, you'd have to have a tight stop on it. I mean, if I took the 23, I'd have about a 24, 24.50 stop on it. And that's really tight because this thing can go through it and turn around and come right back down. We're doing what I guess they should be doing. If anybody has any questions, feel free to ask. Other than that, I'm just kind of keeping my eye on what's going on here.